Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5, and the name of this chapter is Breathing Deeply. In the previous class we have completed chapter 4 with its question answers. I hope that you all have done question answers of chapter 4. So now students, open page number 22 in your EBS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words or to fill empty place. So here you can see a girl who is at the top corner of this page. Who is she? She is Riya. We all are familiar with Riya. Now here we can see that Riya wants to say something to us. Let's see what is it. We know that breathing is something all living things do all the time. So breathing is the process that living thing always do. When we breathe in, we take in air, and when we breathe out, we give out air. But why do living things breathe? Surya is telling to us that when we breathe in, we keep the air inside, and when we breathe out, it releases the air. Now here Riya is asking, why do living things breathe? So here we have an answer of Riya's question. All living things breathe to stay alive. Humans and animals inhale, breathe in oxygen, and exhale, breathe out carbon dioxide. This process is called breathing. So we have seen that every living creature breathes to stay alive. Living organism expel carbon dioxide and carries oxygen inside. Here we can see a yellow box. Riya wants to know, what do plants inhale and exhale during photosynthesis? So we can give answer that plants take carbon dioxide in and exclude oxygen during photosynthesis. So here we can write oxygen inhale and carbon dioxide exhale, just opposite to humans or other living organism. Is that clear, students? Now grandma asks, let's see what is grandma asking to us. Why should we not sleep with our head covered? So here we can give answer that we should not sleep by covering our heads. By doing this, we will have trouble breathing and death due to breathlessness can also occur. So students, that's all for today. In the next class, we will see how do we breathe. So thank you students.